How to play Xbox Game Pass on Steam Deck. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Xbox Game Pass games on your Steam Deck using Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's quick, easy, and you don't need to install Windows. Let's get started. Step 1. Switch to desktop mode. First, press and hold the power button, then tap Switch to desktop. This will take you to the Steam Desktop mode where you will install Microsoft Edge. Step 2. Install Microsoft Edge. Open the Discovery Store, that's the blue shopping bag icon. Search for Microsoft Edge, then click Install. After it installs, go to the Start menu, right-click Edge and select Add to Steam. Step 3. Configure Edge for Xbox Cloud. Now open Steam, find Microsoft Edge in your library. Right-click it, go to Properties, and under Launch Options, paste this command. Then, rename it to Xbox Cloud Gaming for easier access later. Step 4. Set up controller layout. Go back to your Steam library, right-click Xbox Cloud Gaming and click Controller Layout. Choose the gamepad with mouse trackpad layout or any that works best for cloud gaming. You can customize if needed. Step 5. Launch and login. Now switch back to gaming mode on the Steam Deck. Open Xbox Cloud Gaming from library. Log in with your Microsoft account and you're ready to play. Bonus tip. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network, preferable 5 GHz for smoother gameplay. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Xbox Game Pass on your Steam Deck using cloud gaming. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.